Going up.
This is the elevator for the GoPro. Ooh, the GoPro campus garage.
Sixth floor.
Wow, pretty fast. Same halls.
Going down.
I like these. Not too bad they're like all. Wow. Gee.
First floor.
This garage is tall too.
Going up.
There's another one, buddy. So elevator number 2 at the GoPro garage.
Going up.
This one doesn't have any things on the buttons.
Sixth floor.
Going down?
Going down.
What the heck are you guys doing?
We're interested in elevators. Yeah.
Nice, this one sucks. It's always broken.
It's pretty fast though.
First floor.
This one runs better than the other one. I'm gonna go ahead.
Going up.
Use those?
I gotta know. What makes you guys interested in elevators?
Ever since we were
It's our
little,
hobby, yeah.
we just
Really?
go around filming elevators. We're just interested in like how they work and how every single one's different. So
Really?
yeah, it's just a
You guys
hobby.
work for an elevator company?
I do
does.
actually.
Okay.
Yeah, I build elevator controllers. So.
Gotcha.
But yeah, ever since we were little kids, we
That's
just
it.
love elevators.
That's
So.
wild.